Welcome to the 9th tutorial on Theme A. We will be looking at the Equality Act 2010, how the law has helped, and case studies that show this. Compensation means making amends for something. Something given to make up for a loss. Discrimination means treating someone less favorably because of their color, ethnic origins, gender, disability, religion or sexual orientation. Everyone deserves a fair chance to be successful in life. Public awareness programs try to educate people to think beyond prejudice. These are one way to deal with discrimination. There are also legal ways of tackling prejudice. Here's an example of a campaign organized by the Commission for Racial Equality. It is saying that prejudice and racial discrimination are denying people of minority ethnic groups the chance of getting the jobs they deserve and have skills for. The Equality Act 2010 is the law which bans unfair treatment and helps achieve equal opportunities in the workplace and in wider society. Can you remember the 9 protected characteristics which cannot be used as a reason to treat people unfairly? Age, disability, pregnancy, race, religion, marriage, sexuality, sex or gender reassignment. Letitia Booth had been a maintenance manager on the railways. She was given a lower status job and pay. She sued the company for sex discrimination and unfair dismissal and won £220,000. Balbinder Chaga worked in a senior role in a bank but was made redundant. He claimed he lost his job because of racial discrimination. A white person with a similar performance history got his job. He went to a tribunal and won £2.8 million. In the exam you might be asked to explain why the Equality Act is important, using examples. You might also be asked to argue for and against the importance of public awareness campaigns in tackling discrimination.
We go together like Rama Lama Lama, ding 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 dong, remember for